My take on bite-sized bagels and lox. So I'm gonna give these a nice little toss. We're just going to take our smoked salmon piece. Who's hungry? So last weekend, my family came over, my parents, my sister, for the first dinner that we've had at our new house. So I had to make something special. I wanted to make a crowd pleaser, and I knew my sister loves smoked salmon so much. So I came up with this really cute, so yummy smoked salmon hors d'oeuvre. It's little smoked salmon bites on a cucumber with a little crispy pumpernickel crouton, a little bit of chives, some sour cream, and some lemon zest. And it was such a crowd pleaser that I had to show you guys today. It was a real surprise. So let's get started with this cucumber. I have an English cucumber, which is a little bit more skinny and long than your standard regular cucumber, and it's perfect for an hors d'oeuvre. So you're gonna take both ends off, just like this, and then you're just going to make little slivers of cucumber. You want them to be thick enough so that they stand on their own and they don't kind of bend when you put something on it, but you don't want a huge thick piece of cucumber. So I'm gonna go ahead and make some slices. So pumpernickel and smoked salmon sounds really weird, but it is an amazing combination. I'm gonna show you how to make these really fast. Pumpernickel croutons. So you're gonna take some pumpernickel bread and you're just going to cut off the crusts. You can leave them on, but I think it's better when it's off and you just get the soft middle. So after you take off the edges, then you're gonna flip your bread and you're gonna make pretty small croutons. So you don't want them to be huge because you want them to fit nicely on your cucumber and not be overwhelming. Flip it, just like that. Okay, so now that we have all of our little tiny cubes here, they're so cute, I'm going to pick them up, put them right into a big skillet with some slivered garlic, add a little bit of olive oil right in there, and turn my heat on about medium-high heat. You're gonna toss these guys around until they're nice and crispy. So I'm gonna give these a nice little toss just to keep them evenly browning. And while those are going, I got my smoked salmon. We're gonna make lox to a whole nother level, I'm telling you. So we're just going to take our smoked salmon piece, lay it out flat on a cutting board, and then you're just going to make little slivers just like this. And you're gonna roll them into a little spiral, however much you want really, but this is about right for me. And then you're gonna place it right onto your cucumber and keep going. They're so pretty. You don't even need to add anything else. That's it. Just kidding. So it's time for some sour cream. Gonna add just a little dollop on the top. It's gonna add a nice tang. Sour cream and smoked salmon, the concept of lox is coming through. Just add a little dollop on every one. And then I'm gonna take our croutons and I'm just gonna put the little crouton right on the top of the sour cream just so it sticks. And then just a little bit of chive right on the top. Add a little pop of green, a little pop of onion. And then I'm gonna take a lemon. You're gonna take a veggie peeler. This sounds really, really weird. And you're just going to shave off the very top layer of your lemon, which is just the zest. It's like a little piece of zest. I'm gonna place that right on the top, right where your sour cream is, to add a little pop of lemon, a little bit of brightness, and the final step is just a little bit of black pepper. Look at that. Who wants more? Who's hungry? Aren't these the cutest, prettiest little things. I can't wait any longer. Bite-sized bagels and lox. Here we go. The crunchiness of the cucumber, the little garlic, toast on the top, the sour cream adds a nice creaminess, the chives, the lemon. Oh, so good. Check it out on tastefullygrace.com. You won't regret it. Look at that.